So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add futures to your watch list here on TradingView. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, as you can tell, my watch list currently consists of an index, the S&P 500, Apple stock, and Amazon stock from some prior videos. Now, if you want to add a future to your watch list, it's super simple, super straightforward. What I would do here is go down to the bottom and press on Explore right here at the top where it says Overview, Stocks, etc. Just simply slide this all the way across to where it says futures right here in between Forex and bonds. Press on futures. So if you want to go and press gold, for instance, you can press on gold right here. Go to the top right and add that to your index by pressing on the plus icon. Once that is done, I'll go back to watch list right here. As you can tell, the gold futures are now added to your watch list. So super duper simple, super straightforward, but this is how to add futures to your watch list here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.